Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra. This guide will help you unlock the convenience of making secure payments right from your wrist. We'll cover everything from setting up your cards to completing a transaction, ensuring you can confidently use this fantastic feature. Get ready to streamline your shopping experience with just a tap of your watch. It's incredibly simple and secure, making your daily purchases much easier. Setting up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra is a breeze. First, grab your iPhone and open the Apple Watch app. From there, you'll want to tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. You can then easily add a new card by following the on-screen instructions, which usually involves scanning your card or entering the details manually. Your bank will verify the card, and once approved, you're all set to make secure payments directly from your wrist. It's a quick and secure process. Making a purchase with Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra is incredibly straightforward. When you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side button on your watch. Your default card will appear, but you can swipe to choose another if needed. Then, hold the display of your Apple Watch Ultra near the contactless reader. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a chime, confirming your payment has been successfully processed. It's a quick, secure, and convenient way to complete transactions in just a few seconds. To ensure your Apple Pay experience is always secure and smooth, remember a few key tips. Always use a strong passcode on your Apple Watch Ultra and enable wrist detection. This ensures that if your watch is removed, Apple Pay is automatically disabled. You can also review your transaction history within the Wallet app on your iPhone, giving you full oversight of your spending. These simple steps help keep your financial information protected while enjoying the convenience of paying with your watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.